Thinking about upgrading your kitchen counter with Quartz? In Fort Lauderdale, you want something that looks high-end, works hard, and holds up to coastal living. Let's explore how to choose the perfect quartz countertop for your remodel. Quartz is an engineered material that combines natural quartz crystals with resin. This means you get high durability, low maintenance, and consistent patterns that look stunning in any kitchen. In kitchens, Quartz is stain resistant, requires no sealing, and offers a wide range of design options to fit your style. Imagine beautiful kitchen scenes showcasing quartz countertops with close-ups of those gorgeous surfaces that catch the light just right. For 2025, marble look whites with gray veining are trending, along with warm off-white and greige slabs. Bold, darker accent counters are also making a statement. These design choices work perfectly in Florida kitchens, which are often open and bright, embracing that coastal light. Visuals of slabs, mood boards, and finished kitchens in southern Florida settings will inspire your next remodel. Before choosing a slab, check the size and consistency to minimize seams. The finish type, whether polished or matte, also matters. Consider edge profiles and how they coordinate with your cabinets and backsplash. Matching with your lighting is key too. Always verify a trusted brand and view samples under your kitchen's lighting to see how they truly look. Imagine visuals of a slab warehouse, sample pieces held up, and shots showing how lighting can change the appearance of your quartz. In Fort Lauderdale, humidity and salt air can affect your countertops, so installation is crucial. Ensure your substrate is level and plan seam placements carefully. Avoid overheating areas near grills or windows, as extreme heat can soften the resin in engineered quartz. Visuals of installers measuring and fitting seams will show the care that goes into a proper installation. To maintain your quartz, simply wipe it down daily with mild soap and water. Avoid abrasive cleaners and never place hot pans directly on the surface. Using trivets for hot cookware and cleaning spills promptly will keep your countertops looking pristine. Picture a homeowner wiping down their countertop using a trivet and a close-up of a coffee spill being cleaned up effortlessly. Let's recap. Quartz is a smart choice for coastal kitchens. Choose a design that suits your style and light, check slab quality, and install properly. If you're ready to select your quartz slab, visit local showrooms in Fort Lauderdale, order samples, and view them in your kitchen's light. Ask your fabricator about seams and substrate to ensure a perfect fit. You'll be on track to a kitchen you love for years to come.